Okay, so this is a pretty common error which some people make when they first start using Fusion. And it doesn't help sometimes because sometimes these dimension lines look like actual lines. So if I were making this shape here, it looks like I've got that shape more or less made. And when I hit Finish Sketch, I realise I've actually missed a couple of these lines because I thought those dimension lines were sketch lines. So then what people often do is they will create another sketch on the same face, and they'll do the right thing. They'll join these two dots up like this and go Finish Sketch. Now, this on the surface looks like I should be able to extrude this shape now, but I can't. And the reason is because these two sketches are completely independent of each other. They're completely separate. So I've got two sketches. One has got this on it, and one has this on it. And neither of those two things you can extrude because they're not a closed loop. They're not joined together. So if you do run into this problem, let's say I accidentally finished a sketch which I hadn't finished working on, I'll just delete the one I just made. So I accidentally thought that my dimensions were lines, or I didn't close up my loop. I need to go back and double click on the sketch rather than creating a new sketch. And this can happen just because I guess my sketch is a little bit messy. Probably should bring these dimension lines in a bit closer so I can see that they're referring to exactly. All right, so now I can see clearly I hadn't finished my sketch. I can come down to here and close it up, and I know instantly I've got this light blue shading now that I can extrude that shape. So finish sketch, and then I can extrude that one out.